Hello, this is Van Jones with Green for All. Happy Earth Day. This is a day that for a lot of people we celebrate the great achievements of the environmental movement, and we think about the earth and the planet and all that which we should do because we have a beautiful planet and we've got to protect it and defend it. But for us at Green for All, it's also a day to think about the people and think about the great opportunities that we have to build a green economy that's actually strong enough to lift people out of poverty. People don't think about this enough. Everything that is good for the environment, everything that's good for the planet is a job. It's a contract. It's an entrepreneurial opportunity. Solar panels don't put themselves up. Organic gardens don't make themselves. They don't weed themselves. They don't get their products to market. Wind turbines don't make themselves. Every single thing that's good for a clean and green economy is somebody's job, somebody's enterprise, and we want to celebrate both the people and the planet on this Earth Day. So happy Earth Day to you, happy Earth Day to our planet, and happy Earth Day to the people who deserve a green economy that is built for all. Thank you very much.